Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Form 5500 overview for retirement reporting, detailed guide step by step clearly. To download Form 5500 for retirement reporting, begin by opening your preferred web browser. Navigate to the official Department of Labor website. In the search bar, type Form 5500 and hit enter. Locate the section dedicated to the Form 5500 filing. Click on the link that directs you to the Form 5500 series. You will find an overview of the form and its purpose on this page. Look for the option to download the form. Select the appropriate version of Form 5500 that you need. This may include options for 5500, 5500 SF, or 5500 Easy. Once you find the correct version, click the download link associated with it. The form will typically be available in PDF format. After clicking the link, the file should begin downloading automatically. If it does not, check the download notifications in your browser. Once the file has downloaded, locate it in your Downloads folder. Open the PDF file to review the form. Ensure you have the necessary software to view PDF files if prompted. Familiarize yourself with the contents and sections of the form. Complete the form as required for your retirement plan reporting. Once filled out, save the document and ensure you keep a backup. Follow the instructions on how to submit the completed form. Check for any additional requirements based on your plan type. Make note of filing deadlines to ensure timely submission. If needed, consult with a professional for any specific questions. You are now ready to utilize Form 5500 for your retirement reporting. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.